Slaves to the lunch ladies today.
Yeah.
We got rent today and we just work for them all day.
Let me just make sure nothing falls off. I'll steer too.
Oh, get out of the way.
Ah.
You're just in the way.
Can't pretend.
Hey, pay attention to what you're doing. Come on. Oh, come on.
Okay, I'm not giving you a license if I was there.
Yeah.
To how it works. You will not rob.
Oh,
Not like this.
oh,
That thing is what makes it.
okay.
White hat grabbing credits, made the transfers. They read all the books, but they can't find the answers. All of our parents, they're getting older. I wonder if they've wished for anything.
The Gould resides deep within the jungle of the library. Seen here in his natural habitat, the Gould is perfectly at peace. He is a solitary beast and resides in relative tranquility. The beast lies in wait for his prey. The call of the wild extends out to the great beast. Something captures his attention. Gould! 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 McKenna! The Gould scans the horizon for food. Invisible to the untrained eye, only a skilled zoologist can detect his presence. The key is the spackle of his dome. As the light flashes off the bare scalp, his main defense mechanism is revealed. The brightness of the reflection blinds potential predators. The Gould is a dominating animal. The mild McKenna enjoys a savory breakfast. As if on cue, the Gould viciously snatches it from her paws. A creature of exceptionally low intellect, his aptitude lies in his primitive pursuit of self-preservation. Contented by his stolen sustenance, the Gould prepares his food like the carnivorous beast that he is. His toothy grin displays his delight.